Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Umamusume. First, launch the Umamusume game on your device and wait for the main screen. Then, look for the gear icon or menu button to open settings. Next, navigate through the available tabs inside the settings menu. Then, locate the language or regional preferences option. Tap on the language drop-down or list displayed. Next, scroll through the available languages supported by the game. Then, select your preferred language from the list. After that, confirm the selection when prompted to apply the change. Exit the settings menu after saving changes. Then, close the game completely to apply the new language settings. Relaunch the game and verify the language update. If it doesn't change, repeat the steps or check if your region restricts language options. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.